is a member of parliament of Mumias East constituency, and today I'm privileged to be here at the headquarters of Partners for Care Kenya, where we have partnered with them through Peter Selassie Foundation to support the young people from the Western Kenya, to be more specific in Mumias East constituency in Kakamega County, the western parts of Kenya. And we have worked with them before, and this time round I'm so proud because I've been a pioneer in terms of encouraging the skills in the young people. Like in my area, I've heard about many challenges of young ladies going to suffer from all the way to Saudi. They go there without work, they die from there, and I've been trying to come up with programs that is going to reduce them traveling all the way to Saudi, Lebanon, to work as maids. And I think with the support that I've gotten from the Partners for Care Kenya through this sewing machine is going to solve many problems. It's going to create job opportunities to those young girls, and it's going to be a solution that has been really disturbing me in terms of my leadership. So I want to say thank you so much for the people, the partners, for the support. I will be inviting you to come to Mumias East constituency to come and see how it's going to impact my community. Asante sana. Thank you so much.
Thank you.